That's a good boy.
It's like forensics, you can see the paw coming back. What's going on, Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to the Detail Garage. Like many of you, we enjoy going on adventures with our four-legged friends, but their messes sometimes aren't that much fun. Today we're going to show you how to remove all that and get your car looking and smelling its best using forbidden pet stain and odor remover. This is going to help eliminate lingering odors as well as those embedded stains, and it's very easy to use, which we're going to show you how to do right now. This is a 1997 GMC Sierra SLE. Now this is my day-to-day driver, the work truck, which means that not only has to deal with the commute, but also it has to feed horses, chickens, haul hay bales, and all kinds of scraps. And our dogs love to jump inside and out of it. And you can tell that by all the mud that's sitting on top of the carpet as well as the seats. And this works its way into the fibers, which not only leaves nasty stains, but also lingering odors, which is why we've chosen to use forbidden pet stain and odor remover. The enzymes help to break down those stubborn stains, but also get rid of any kind of lingering bacteria and odors, giving your vehicle a fresh scent, and specifically a grapefruit scent. And this is a great way to enhance a fresh overall feeling, as well as maintain your vehicles no matter what kind of vehicle you have. So to begin, we're going to start by vacuuming and getting rid of the bulk of this mess, and I'll show you just how easy it is to use forbidden. So as you see, we just finished vacuuming, but even after that, that's not enough to remove the embedded stains, and there's still lingering odors in here. If you guys use your imagination or 4D thinking, there's still odors in here that are caused from mud, the dog's natural smells, and all that can be removed using forbidden. So what we'll do is just spray it directly onto the surface, and we'll give this a moment to dwell, and this is actually going to start to penetrate, and the enzymes in there are going to go to work getting rid of those nasty smells as well as the deep embedded stains. So we'll start by shaking up the bottle. And we'll just start spraying directly onto the fabric as well as the carpet. And give this a moment to do its job. We've given forbidden a moment to dwell, and now we're going to start blotting it and scrubbing it using a clean microfiber towel. So we come over here to these stains. You can see that it just starts working the messes right off of the fabric, and it's the same process for carpet as well as vinyl and other kinds of materials around the inside of your vehicle. All that mess has been collected on the towel, and you can see there's a huge difference now from the mud that's been dried onto the seats, and this has been on there for a while where it's actually started to cake up and build onto the surface. But let's say you're working with really tough, stubborn stains. You can still take your microfiber towel, but wrap it around a clean brush, or you can use it with the brush, and then just start working back and forth. This will give you the leverage to help remove deep set-in messes and stains. Let's say your dog stepped in something other than mud and brought that into the vehicle or your house or office or home. And this is just going to help effortlessly remove that, getting rid of the harder to scrub messes. Now also after the vacuum process, you saw that there was mud still on the door sills and plastics. And Forbidden also does a great job of removing that. We just let it sit on the surface, and now we'll wipe it away using a clean edge of the towel. Come back and buff off any of the residue. And for best results, you want to make sure that you let Forbidden completely dry after you've done your detailing job. And there you have it. You see just how easy it is to use Forbidden. This has removed any kind of deep, stubborn stains as well as lingering odors, reviving a fresh grapefruit scent. You want to make sure this completely dries before you go on your next adventure, but this is just an easy way to keep your vehicle looking and smelling its best. So for other areas around the vehicle, I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to keep that maintained. Stay tuned. Moving right along to our next step, we're going to tackle the dust that accumulates on the dashboard, the steering wheel, the gauge clusters, and all the plastics on the inside of the vehicle using Total Interior. This is a one-step solution that helps clean and protect virtually all of the surfaces on the inside of your vehicle. And what's great about this is you can simply spray it on, wipe it off, and this gives you natural protection against UV rays and anything else that could stain the materials on the inside of your car. So to control some overspray, we'll spray directly onto our clean workhorse microfiber towel. And now we'll start working on the dashboard, wiping away all the dust, fingerprints, dog hair, and everything that accumulates on the inside of this vehicle. Just look at all that filth that accumulates on there. It really hides it because of the color of the plastic, but as I mentioned before, this is my work truck. It really does have to deal with a lot of different kinds of scenarios. It works really hard, and that's why we're showing it some love today. You can still take pride in your vehicle no matter what kind it is, whether it's a beautiful brand new vehicle, your work truck, or even a Prius. But you can see that it's very easy to use total interior. There's no need to scrub or agitate. Simply wipe away the fingerprints, the dust, any kind of grime and messes. And this is again safe for virtually all the surfaces on the inside of your vehicle. So you can maintain a fresh look on the outside as well as on the inside. And it's going to help add blockers that reject UV rays and recent spills that would cause staining and discoloration. And this is available in a few different scents, so you can pick your favorite type of aroma for the inside of your vehicle. Well guys, that's going to do it for the interior detail of this GMC Sierra, but there's a few things you can take it further, whether you're working with a really nasty vehicle, say you have something that's really staining the inside or a lingering odor, you can use Total Reset to completely refresh the inside of your vehicle. There's videos on that showing you how to use it properly, but what that does is it draws that beautiful scent through your air conditioning system to refresh the inside of your vehicle. But since the Forbidden left a beautiful grapefruit scent, this car has already been refreshed and it smells fantastic, so we're going to leave it as is. So if you guys liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop your comments down below for any future videos. If you want to learn more about any of these products, head over to our website, 𝘃𝗵𝗿𝗄𝑔𝑢ys.com or your local detail garage, and we'll see you guys next time.